Hey good people, so in this video I'm gonna show you guys how you can use concatenation. So let's write a comment, concatenation, and this is basically the way that you can use when you want to join two string or a string and a variable. So let's just write a variable. The variable can be name and Tian, and I just want to console log clg my name is. Then you have to move from the single quote and use the plus sign, then the variable name. And if I just save this one, then it will take my name is, then this space from here and the name variable from here, and it will join these two. So the name is equal to Tian, so it will show in the console my name is Tian. So let's just save this one, and you can see over here my name is Tian. So you can do more than one variable as well. So let me have another one, const greet, and let's make this one okay bye. So let's just have another plus over here, then right here my name is Tian and I'm a coder. You can see that this is not working because whenever you are using single quote inside of single quote, it won't work. So to bypass that problem, you can use double quote and paste that inside that double quote, and it will work. And here I want to add another plus, then the greet. So what will happen here, it will take my name is, then this space from here, then it will take the name which is Tian, then it will take and I am a coder, then another space from here, and this will add the greet which is okay bye. So the entire sentence will be, let's save this one, my name is Tian and I am a coder, okay bye. So there's no space before the end, so I'm gonna give another space over here and save this one. So my name is Tian and I'm a coder, okay bye. So that's how you can join two string or two couple of strings and variable when you want to. So this is a pretty simple method, but this is a bit messy because you have to write this single quotation, then plus, then variable, then again single quote, then anything that you want, then again plus. So this is a bit messy. What you can do instead of this, I'll show you in my next video, but this is something that people used to use a lot because there wasn't any other way, but now there is. That way I'll be showing you guys in my next video.